Go. Good afternoon, Jeffrey.
Good afternoon, Teacher Mike.
All right, Jeffrey, can you show us your artwork, please? Back up a little bit so we can have see the entire picture. Okay, okay, all right, okay, good. Can you tell us what are you looking for in the rainforest?
I'm looking for shining treasures in the rainforest
Oh, shiny treasures. Okay, so why are you looking for shiny treasures?
because I want to be rich.
Because, because yeah, I asked a stupid question. Because you want to be rich, that's why you want shiny treasures. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so who is there with you? Who is in the rainforest with you?
Harrison,
Because that's what Harrison said too. So can you tell us about yourself?
I
What
am dreamer with an unfish.
you mean determined? Again, I am determined,
I am determined and unse-
unselfish.
unselfish.
How about Harrison?
Harrison is determined and tough.
Tough. All right, so he's tough. So is he going to protect you? Huh?
Maybe,
Maybe you're
maybe.
you're not sure. You're not very sure, huh? You're like, I'm not sure. Maybe he'll protect me. Maybe I'll protect him. Who knows? All right. So let's continue. So in the rainforest, what is it like there?
There, the rainforest is hot and colorful.
Hot and colorful. Okay. Are there lots of animals there?
Yes,
Can you show us some of the animals in your artwork? What are some of the animals? Okay, what is that?
oh,
All right, anything else? Tell us, talk more about the animals in the rainforest.
and there are very many venomous snake.
There are many poisonous, venomous snakes. Okay, anything else?
No,
No more. So there are only snakes and owls in your rainforest. So the owls keep eating the snakes. Okay, yeah, that's what owls do. Owls eat snakes. By the way, okay. So what is the problem in your story? What do you see as the problem?
I see the very big footprint.
Footprints
Footprint.
of whose
Uh,
footprint?
we don't know.
You know, is it a monster? Could it be a monster?
Yes,
Okay, all right. So maybe it's a monster. All right. So is there anything else that you see or hear or smell?
I hear some howling in the rainforest.
You hear something howling, not howling, howling.
Howling.
What do you think is howling in the rainforest?
Maybe it's a monster.
Maybe it's a monster. Oh, yes. Okay. So, can you tell us what happens in the end? Did you find the
We
treasure?
didn't we didn't find the treasure.
Why not? Why not? Why didn't you find it? How come you didn't find it? What happened? Did the monster stop you, or someone else stole the treasure? Did someone take the treasure away?
Yes.
Who do you think took the treasure away?
I don't know.
Maybe it's Harrison. Maybe Harrison took the treasure away while you weren't looking. Like you were sleeping, and then Harrison just took the treasure and hide it somewhere else. Because in Harrison's story, he found the treasure, but you didn't find your treasure. So he took it, right, Harrison? Yeah, he said yes. I took the treasure. Okay. So do you become famous?
No.
No. Do you know why? Do you know why you're not famous?
I don't know.
Because you didn't find the treasure. That's why. Well, since you didn't find the treasure, do you think you will be able to share with anyone?
Yes.
What are you going to share?
Nothing.
Share nothing. You can share your story. All right. Can you do a deal?
No, I can't.
Because you don't have any treasures. Oh no. So are you? So in the very end, are you overjoyed or disappointed?
Overjoyed.
Why are you overjoyed? Why are you happy?
I don't know.
You didn't find a treasure. You should be disappointed. Why
Because
would you?
Harrison find the treasures.
But he's not going to share it with you. He's only going to share a little bit with you. Like if he's found like 100 coins, he'll probably just share two with you. The rest he's going to keep it for himself. Is that correct, Harrison? Yeah, he's not going to share with you. He'll like, oh, here, 2 coins. Take it and go away. All right. Good job. Thank you very much. Can you show us your artwork one more time before I let you go? Okay, good job. All right.